Okay guys, today we got another car, another project from Insurance Auto Auction. It's Corvette Z06 C7. We're gonna walk through the damages and show you how it came. We just received it like 5 minutes ago. Alright, this is the car that we got. It has front damage. The tires is very bad, like it's extremely bad. Looks like he's been racing a lot. Interior should be fine. Let's check it out. Airbags deployed. Yeah, but it's pretty clean. Like it. Awesome. We can see that the steering rack is kind of broken, and then the ABS pump. So I'm not sure if it's gonna start the car, but we'll see. We'll try. We're gonna put it on the lift and see how's the engine, how's the damages. We're gonna remove all that wrap and check it out. Okay, so we took all the shrink wrap apart. Now we see all the damages. A lot of parts in the engine bay are damaged, so we're gonna quickly show you what we have right now. So we see that interior condition is very good. It's like top notch. Everything is in place. Looks very good, which is kind of good for us. The bad part that the engine bay is kind of came apart. So what we can see that the steering rack is damaged, then ABS is damaged. As you can see, a lot of harness are damaged as well. Otherwise, pretty good. The throttle body, the belt is out. Fender got damaged on the left side, not too bad. Missing headlights, missing apron beams. Yes, very nice ceramic brakes. Tires, like guys, the tires are completely dead. It's like completely like 0%, like zero threat at all. On the rear side looks very good. See that? See the exhaust? Oh, I like it. Alright guys, so as you can see, there are a bunch of harnesses problem in this car. On the left side, plus the ground is broken. On this side, same problem, and this side is same problem. So as you can see, the steering rack sensor got damaged as well. And guess what? The main steering sensor got damaged as well. So because of that, I'm not sure if the car will start at all. We have to fix those problems first. But to fix it, it's gonna take a lot of time, so we'll see. Also, this fuse was missing right here, so we changed that. We put it a brand new one. Guess what? We opened up the trunk. We opened the trunk, and we found brand new roof. It has brand new carbon fiber roof. It also has a bunch of manuals, like this one. As you can see, this guy was a pretty big fan of Z06s. Also, it has a MSRP value. After a long day, we're finally almost done with the car. And on the next episode, we're gonna start the car finally and hopefully, so it will run and drive. Also, we ordered parts for the tie rod, the inner side, and we also ordered the pulley and a belt from dealer. So it will come, this set. It's about 5 days in the transit, so hopefully next week we're gonna put everything together. During this time we're gonna fix the harness, and hopefully we're gonna start the car. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Thank you.